All right, donut time. All right, I just got here at Half Moon Bay, 4:12 in the morning, and yeah, I decided to come in a little bit earlier so I don't hit the morning traffic through San Jose and Morgan Hill. Figure take a little nap, and then once Aaron gets here, about 6 o'clock, 6:30, then we'll load up and slowly head out. But yeah, Half Moon Bay weather looks pretty good right now. No wind at all, so hopefully today we'll get some crab. So the weather looks great. Very little wind, or almost no wind at all. Very little wind. A couple leaves are moving, but should be very doable. The swells are, I think, like 3 to 5 feet, so it's not bad. And we're gonna go for crab and halibut. So hopefully Aaron, myself, and one of his friends catch some crab and fish. So rockfish season opening up next week, so can't wait. Yeah, I should be back at Central Coast catching some rockfish. So until then, hopefully today we do good with some crab and halibut. Wow, there goes one boat super early in the morning. Look at that. It's a lot of light. Alright, so I already dropped the kayak one time, and then I dropped it again as I hit the grass and the wheel got stuck in the dirt because I forgot to put my straps on my wheels. So the kayak just pretty much slid right off, and it rolled over, and it got a little scraped up right here on my rod. So hopefully that does nothing to the rod and it doesn't break. So if I catch a fish today, hopefully my rod don't snap. We'll see how it goes.
Seagull already shit on my
Oh, damn. Not even on the water yet, they're already touching it. So you put your sidekick in the water?
Yeah. Yep.
This is what happens when you fish fresh water too much, where the road's all nice and paved. You don't strap it down your wheels. Nothing. I figured I'd get like a croaker or some kind of bycatch. Nothing. That's up today. My buddy Aaron and I are doing some crabbing. There's a whole bunch of crab pots. Yeah, so we got a few markers on our left that we wanted to drop. There's like a line of crab pots from commercial fishermen, and because it's almost like one of those trot lines where big old long straight line, they just drop pots after pots. So it's like from the jetty pretty much almost all the way to the houses. So, and then there's other like personal buoys on the side too, so it's got to be like regular fishermen and kayakers. And then it looks like there's another chain of crab pots on that side too, so
If I drop it in here, hopefully I don't get snagged by the boat that comes by and pick up their crab pots. I'll have to drop it shallower, into the shallow water. I kind of want to drop one shallow, one deep, but since people are catching crabs from the shore at Baker Beach, Ocean Beach, and Pacifica, I might drop it closer toward the beach. And maybe that way there'll be less boats. So there is a little bit more busyness right here. So yeah, I might give that a try. I think Aaron's about to drop one of his pots. So hopefully we do good. Alright, I think right here it's not too bad. I'm a little further from that buoy and those buoys, so I might try to drop my pot. The ugly buoy, so I can see my stuff. Can tell the difference from mine and other people's. Watching Aaron drop his pot. Alright, so today, doing my flasher skirt with the hoochie and a grub, and then 2 hooks, 2 single hooks, 2 J hooks, and that should give enough action. Coffee break. Iced coffee. Oh, how come the battery's not charging? What the heck? So weird. I gotta check my battery. Ooh, that's some good coffee. It's bitter and sweet. See how Aaron does.
One pull, one keeper so far, huh?
Oh damn, yeah.
Yeah, I got a short for a second bit.
Yeah, it makes it hard, man. They got like 2 lines of crab pots.
Covering the whole fucking beach, man.
Yeah.
I mean, you ain't got nowhere better to go?
And like, if we take the fisherman, the regular fisherman spot, then now we can dominate this and outside.
Yeah, I know, right? Doesn't make any sense to me.
Yeah, we got out. I look at their line, I'm like, what the fuck, dude? It's like right in the middle. And then also another one, I'm like, great. Now I don't want to throw it over there and they get tangled up with theirs. Or yeah.
I got some jumbos too.
Nice.
Bullshit.
Over there?
Well, good. Maybe I'm glad I dropped my pot. I dropped my pot about a good 10 minutes away from here.
Oh, damn.
On the way in.
Oh, shit.
Like on the way out here.
Yeah.
Just because it was as soon as he said there's a ton of pots, I was like, well, maybe here's probably better than anywhere.
I figure if they drop in all the pots over here, it might be somewhat hot. So I figure I'll drop some, test it out for a bit.
Right?
Give it a shot.
I think there had to be a chance, right?
Oh, yeah. Alright. time to check my crab pot. This is the second one. My first one's still there. I haven't checked my first one yet, but I'm closer to the number 2, so I'm gonna check number 2 first. Feels heavy, but I haven't lifted a crab pot in a while, so I don't know what heavy is. It might be nothing, it might be something, but I don't want my line to get tangled, so I gotta move a little bit. Ooh, I got one keeper. That's a big one. Dude, what took out the it took out my trout. That's a good keeper. From my balls. Crab likes the trout, so that's a good thing. Okay. Time to check out the size, how big they are. Well, at least one's a keeper. The other two, I don't know. Oh, it did broke his arm. That sucks. Oh, you're too small. Oh yeah. Woo, that's big. Small. I got one. I got one keeper, 6.5 inch. Nice. Nice work. Thanks, man.
Looks like these commercial guys have nothing better to do than just drop pots right outside the harbor.
That's why I put my little floaties behind it so it floats. So if I lose it, it doesn't go into water. Okay. So you got 2 keepers? 3? Oh yeah? I got one so far. There's 3 in there, but the other 2 are too short. Nothing. What the heck? So the wind has actually started to pick up. And it's getting windy. Baby crab, what the heck? So since it's getting windier, I'm gonna go closer in towards the jetty. So that way, if it does blow crazy wind, I'm not that far. I don't want to be too far out. So the wind has really picking up and it's blowing. It's blowing good. Aaron's like way over there. And his buddy's over there. And I think it's even worse over there because they're out in the open. So you're gonna get hit more by wind and the second swell coming this way. So there's a swell going this way and a bigger swell coming this way. So you got a mixture of swells and wind, so.
Oh man, it is crazy. It's so windy. Oh shit. Almost didn't make it to the mouth. The mouth was blowing so hard. I was kicking like crazy and I'm barely moving. And there are people out there in paddleboard and rental kayak and like you don't want to go out there. They still went out there anyway, so I think they're gonna need rescue, dude. This is crazy. It's way too windy. It's insane. Whew. So the wind started picking up about 10 o'clock. It was getting closer towards the 15 miles per hour. And then as it got closer and closer towards noon, I swear, I think it was like in the 20 or 20s. And as we were starting to come back, the wind got harder and harder, or faster and faster. And then I noticed the tide were kind of coming out too. And as we got to the mouth of the jetty, the tide was, it was low tide, so all the water was coming out of the harbor really quick. And yeah, I've been in like in the ocean where it's been pretty rough before, and I know when not to go in, but this time was actually kind of scary because I was kicking like crazy at the jetty and I couldn't pass the jetty mouth. I mean, I was like slowly moving inches by inches, and it's like it's insane. And then on the way in, it's like white caps all over the place, and the wind was still blowing me. So as hard as I was kicking on the outside, I was doing like about a mile per hour. But once I got on the inside, I'm like barely moving. And yeah, if I was in my Tarpon 120, which I still have, I don't think I would have made it back in. But yeah, we checked the condition. It's supposed to be really nice, but yeah, the condition didn't stay, so it got pretty sketchy. So if you do go out, be safe, carry a radio, and yeah, just keep a check up on the condition and come in when it gets nasty. So good luck.